there for a while.
A couple of flies have been in it.
Yeah, there you go, buddy. This is the first one.
It's Italian.
But you have to scoop up heaps of both. Then you won't. You'll only taste like some.
If you taste peanuts, then it's going to be a bit of a biased taste.
Oh, you're scooping up.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, there it is.
Hello? Where are you?
Can you find your mouth?
It's right there. Oh, wait, you need water.
A butter.
Water.
Water there. The tank. There. The tank. I don't know what else to call it.
Oh, drink your.
No,
is this
just
your
drink the
cook?
Coke. No, because then he can't taste it.
Is this your cook?
Oh, you got sad. Try this cake, man. You guys are horrible.
Can you have
I already tried it.
Yeah?
Ice cream?
Which one's next, guys?
Yeah, just.
Man.
Yeah, just
Oh, someone took the spoon.
Yeah. Oh, spoon's in the cup already.
Oh, 2 mix, my bro.
2 mix.
Can I have a spice?
Spice? Rolls. Isn't it natural ability just to...
What say you, Gabriel Price?
The second one tastes a little burnt.
That's your one. Oh.
Wait, they're both really creamy. The second one.
Hey! Oh, look, you got some coffee.
Look, it's your birthday or
I think
something.
the first one was a bit sweeter.
Oh, we got
Well, it has to now.
We got
Pretty
him.
good.
So all together,
Equal? Overall,
you can't do equal.
texture,
Oh my
Sweetness.
goodness, are you the queen?
flavor.
I said no. Where's some grapes today all over your face?
No, you need to come.
I think I might go with the
And look
first
at
one.
all
The first one.
What's that hard work? Pardon?
The first one.
Yay! I'm a champion.
Oh.
High five. High five.
But I didn't get enough of it, so I can't do it.
Ah.